Okay, so here I am at the top of 3rd Avenue Hill. You probably recognize me from my previous video when me and a couple of my buddies created the amazing Hastings Dam. My name is Cletus Johnson. This is Kimbo Slice. And we're about to ride our bicycles down 3rd Avenue Hill. It's going to be awesome. How do I turn this around?
There should be a thing up in the top corner.
I know, but there's not. Alright, whatever. I'll hold my phone backwards. Here we go. Let's go. Starting. It's a little windy out. Here comes Kimbo about to pass me. You see, Kimbo has a little bit more muscle mass than I do, so he goes a little bit faster, if you know what I'm saying. I am slowing down a lot and he just keeps going.